Okay, so we continue with the loads. This part is similar to the other structures. I mean, it's like to conventional plates. We want to define the boundary conditions and put the loads. So we choose tab loads. Here we will have define loads, apply, and structural, because our analysis is structural, and displacement. So online we assume that, for example, these two aids are clamped, so applied all the graph freedoms. Okay, and we can put, for example, pressure on lines, so we can put pressures on these two lines. Okay, for example, minus 6 megapascal, so it will be 6 E6. Okay, you can see we will have a pressure 6 megapascal in each edge. So now the next step, we can solve this, and the analysis type will be static, so solve and current ls. So easily we can solve this example. Okay, so the solution is done. The next step, we can observe the results. Here you can see use different options. For example, we can plot the results, contour plots, nodal solution. Here, for example, the displacement in y direction. Here you can see the displacement, and you can see here the maximum displacement is here. Of course, because here I don't have enough space, so I couldn't install the ANSYS completely. I cannot get the results for the stresses, but you can do the same procedure here in nodal solution. You can see the stresses. Because my software is not completely installed, I cannot see, for example, the y component. Here you can see I cannot observe these results, but if you install it completely, you can see the other results. So the next step, this is the total procedure to define multi-layers for a plate, and then you can do the same procedure for a plate with cutouts, and you can, for example, investigate the effect of different cutouts, for example, circular or square cutouts or rectangular cutouts as well. And then here you can plot the results and see how much is the maximum stress, how much is the maximum shear stress, and other parameters, or von Mises stresses. You can here watch them and compare the effect of different cutouts on this plate. And also you can investigate the effect of the layers. Here you see we have this orientation 45 0 90 minus 45. You can change this orientation and then investigate the effect of the orientation on the maximum stresses and other parameters. And also, as I told you, you can choose different materials in different layers. Okay, so it's up to you, and you can investigate all of these parameters in your projects. Okay, thank you, bye.